Hi guys, this is Pratik and you are tuned into DCX Learn. In today's video, we're gonna discuss 7 mistakes to avoid as a crypto investor. I'm pretty sure in 7 में से 4 तो आपने किए होंगे. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, not setting clear goals. I know a lot of people who start as investors but they end up trading. So I want you to ask yourself this one question. Ask yourself who you are. Are you an investor or are you a trader? If you are an investor, you shouldn't be bothered with the small corrections happening in the market. 10, 15, 20%, 30% corrections जो होती है market में, that is pretty much very normal when it comes to crypto. It's very important for you to understand yourself, who you are, why have you invested, what is your end goal. जिंदगी भर तो invested नहीं रहना है. At the end of the day, you need to book profits. So it's very important for you to know when to book profits. So because of that, I'm telling you, it's very important to set goals. So the second mistake that most of the people do is they do not know why they have invested. Because they've invested without doing any research. I have made a dedicated video on how to start your own crypto research. I'll put it here in the cards. Please go watch that video. It's very important. Most of the people invest because they are in FOMO, fear of missing out. किसी बड़े आदमी ने ट्वीट कर दिया, किसी टेलीग्राम ग्रुप में कॉल आ गया, टिप आ गया, किसी दोस्त ने बोल दिया कि ब्रो खरीद ले डबल हो जाएगा. So a lot of people start investing in this way. It's very important for you to understand where you are investing. If you do not know where you are investing, it's gambling, my friend. So please do not do this mistake. So the third mistake that a lot of people do is buy high and sell low. I know a lot of people have done this. I have done it myself. So ये क्यों होता है? Say suppose आपके पास 1 लाख रुपए है, आपको बिटकॉइन में डालना है. बिटकॉइन की प्राइस अभी $50,000 है. आपने 1 लाख रुपए $50,000 पे डाल दिया. जैसे ही आपने डाल दिया, क्योंकि आपकी किस्मत इतनी अच्छी है कि आपने $50,000 पे डाल दिया है, सुप करके मार्केट नीचे गिर जाती है. मार्केट अभी $30,000 पे आ जाती है और आपको लगने लगता है कि नहीं, अभी $30,000 आएगी तो $20,000 भी आएगा. सो आप क्या करोगे? आप सोचोगे कि $50,000 पे मैंने खरीदा है, $30,000 पे बेच दूंगा एंड देन वापस खरीद लूँगा $20,000 पे. आप इस माइंडसेट से आप हाई पे बाय करोगे एंड लो पे सेल करोगे. लेकिन होगा क्या कि मार्केट 30,000 से वापस ऊपर आने लग जाएगा. फिर आपको लगेगा कि आपने 30,000 पे सेल क्यों किया. सो दिस इज द वेरी कॉमन मिस्टेक दैट अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल डू. सो की पॉइंट्स हियर, इफ़ यू आर एन इन्वेस्टर, लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए लॉक्ड रहो. सोचो मत, ऊपर नीचे होगा, सोचो मत, राइट. सेकेंड चीज़ क्या आप कर सकते हो कि आप रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग कर सकते हो. मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है हाउ टू मेक योर क्रिप्टो पोर्टफोलियो, जाके वो वीडियो देखो. अगेन आई एम पुटिंग इट इन द कार्ड्स. Go watch that video. I've taught you how to do your dollar cost averaging और rupee cost averaging. Because अगर आप एक ही बार में लमसम में इन्वेस्ट कर दोगे ना, so you won't get the right price because crypto is very volatile. So it's very hard to judge when is the right time to enter, when is the right time to exit. So it's always recommended कि हमेशा डॉलर कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग या रुपी कॉस्ट एवरेजिंग करो. इससे आपका जो एवरेज प्राइस होता है वो काफ़ी अच्छा आ जाता है. एंड इफ यू ऑलरेडी नो दैट यू आर एन इन्वेस्टर, do not worry about these market movement. At the end of the day, अगर आपने proper research किया है तो घबराने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. So the fourth mistake that a lot of people do is they invest in a crypto just because it's cheap. कल ही मेरे एक दोस्त ने कॉल किया and he was like, bro ये XYZ coin है, ₹2 का मिल रहा है, खरीद लूँ क्या? I was like, bro, why don't you try and investing in some bigger crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum? He was like, Bitcoin, Ethereum is too expensive. And I asked him one question. I asked him, what is the circulating supply of this XYZ coin? And he was speechless. So the problem here is people think just because something is cheap, it's good. But whereas because you have not done your proper research, you do not know what is the circulating supply. If the circulating supply is in billions, how do you expect it to go up? So always make sure you're checking the market cap. Market cap is equal to current price into circulating supply. If the circulating supply is in billions and billions, do not expect to get a good return on that investment. Always remember that if it is cheap, it's not important, it's good. I know हम हिंदुस्तानी हैं, हमको सब सस्ती चीज़ें पसंद है, but when it comes to investing in cryptos, you need to do a lot of research. So please make sure you are not making this mistake. The fifth mistake is borrowing money to invest. I know a lot of friends who have borrowed money from their friends, from their families, I know a few friends who have also taken money from bank. They've taken a personal loan, and when I ask them, "Ki bro, why are you taking a personal loan to invest in crypto?" You know what they tell me? Ki bro, Bitcoin double होने वाला है. So what happened to these kind of people is when the market was going up, they went into the stage of FOMO. उनको लगा कि अभी हमने इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया तो शायद जिंदगी भर हम पैसा कमा नहीं पाएंगे. And when they borrowed funds from their families, friends, they took a bank loan and they invested that money in the market crashed. This led to a lot of things in their life. एक तो उनके relations खराब हो गए अपने friends के साथ, families के साथ. They went into a financial debt because now that market has crashed, they do not have money to give back to their friends, families, and the bank. So it's very important for you to understand, do not borrow funds to invest or trade. Do not indulge yourself in leverage trading. Also, उतना ही इन्वेस्ट कीजिए जिसके जाने पे आपको गम ना हो. Invest wisely. So the sixth mistake that people do is they do not diversify their portfolio. They put all their eggs in one basket. I've already made a video on how to start your own crypto portfolio with 1 lakh rupees. Please go and watch it here. So it's very important for you to diversify your portfolio, not rely just on one crypto. You should have a diversified portfolio. ताकि अगर एक क्रिप्टो आपको लॉस में जा रहा है तो बाकी मैनेज कर ले रहा है. It's very important for you to do that. Please do not do that mistake. Now that you are a subscriber of DCX Learn, I wouldn't like you doing that mistake. So please make sure you're going and watching that video and then you're diversifying your portfolio and not making this mistake. So the seventh mistake and the most common mistake which hurts me a lot is falling prey for scams. There are n number of scams going out there in the field of crypto. As crypto is booming, there are a lot of scams happening out there. If I have to sum it up, there are a lot of scams out there definitely. उसमें से जो सबसे ज़्यादा common है, people will message you on your Telegram, on your Instagram, on your Facebook. Whenever they get to know you have to do something with crypto. जैसे ही आप crypto groups में होते हो या तो आपने hashtag crypto यूज़ किया या bitcoin यूज़ किया, they will know that you are someone who is interested in crypto. क्या होगा, एक फेक अकाउंट से आपको मैसेज आएगा, एक सुंदर सी लड़की का फोटो होगा एंड नाम होगा एंड शी विल टेल यू कि वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दिस ऐप ट्रेडिंग बॉट which gives you so and so returns every now and then. So if you invest so and so money, you would get so and so money every now and then. It's fake. Do not fall for these kind of scams. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. If that person was really making 10% every day or 5% every day, why would they tell you to also invest? Once you send them your money, they'll go away. They'll run away. They'll block you. So please do not fall for such kind of scams. The second kind of scam that happens is the pyramid scheme. It's more like a multi-level marketing program where there will be a company which tells that they are doing some arbitrage. Arbitrage is basically they are buying low and selling high and they're making a profit and it's all automated. So they'll ask you कि you join this program and you refer a friend. If you refer a friend, you'll get so and so money. And if your friend refers a friend, he will also get money and you will also get money. The other kind of scam which is pretty much very close to the pyramid scheme is a cloud mining scheme. Basically there will be a company which tells you that हमारे आयरलैंड में बहुत सारे माइनिंग फार्म हैं, लेकिन अगर आप चाहते हैं आपको भी माइन करना है तो आप so and so डॉलर्स हमें दे दीजिए और हम 10% रिटर्न्स आपको एवरी मंथ देंगे. So do not fall prey for these kind of scams. There might be legit companies who actually do this, right? But please do proper research before giving your money to someone. It's your money, you need to be very responsible with it. The third kind of scams is the pump and dump schemes. There will be a lot of groups on Telegram, Discord, Facebook groups where they will tell you that at 7 PM हम ये coin को pump करने वाले हैं. But आपको ये नहीं पता हुआ कि उस group के admin पिछले 2-3 हफ्तों से वो coin खरीद रहे हैं ताकि जिस दिन वो coin का नाम आपको बताएंगे उस दिन वो बेच सके. सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर कि पंप एंड डंप स्कीम्स ये सारे ग्रुप्स पे ज्वाइन मत करो. ये गलती मैंने खुद ने की है. यू विल एंड अप लूजिंग एवरीथिंग दैट यू हैव. सो स्टे अवे फ्रॉम दीज पंप एंड डंप ग्रुप्स. सो द लास्ट काइंड ऑफ स्कैम दैट आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट, आई नो आज पूरे दिन में बहुत सारे स्कैम्स के बारे में बात कर ली है, इज पीपल impersonating CoinDCX. नाउ if you join CoinDCX Telegram group or CoinDCX Twitter or CoinDCX Instagram, you might get a message from CoinDCX support team which is fake, asking you for money or your personal information. They will offer you money, in return they'll say कि आपका कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है हम लोग रिजॉल्व कर देंगे. always remember that CoinDCX team will never message you first. If you have any support issues, please go to the official website or app and raise a support ticket. Do not fall prey for these kind of scams. It's your crypto, you need to protect it. Never ever share your private keys. Never ever share your personal details to anyone on the internet. So these are the mistakes that people do when it comes to crypto. There are a lot of other mistakes that I can talk about. So let me know in the comment sections what are the mistakes that you've done. And if you want to learn more about crypto and blockchain, please subscribe to this channel. You can also go check out our blog DCX Learn, where we have written awesome content for you guys on crypto and blockchain. This is Prateek signing off.